Under eye creams helps to moisturize your skin and reduces wrinkles, dark circles and puffiness of your eyes. Chemical-based creams are expensive and can be harmful to use under your eyes. So you need to make your own under eye cream for you to avoid harmful chemicals. In this video we are sharing with you an easy DIY under eye cream to reduce wrinkles and dark circles. For making this cream, all you need is 1/4 cup shea butter, 2 vitamin E capsules and few drops of lavender essential oil. Take shea butter and melt it in a double boiler over medium heat. Then pour it in a small glass bowl and add the vitamin E oil in it and mix together until well combined. Now add 3 to 4 drops of lavender essential into it and stir well. Your under eye cream is ready for use. Apply this cream every night under your eyes after washing your face. This cream is really great for moisturizing and treating your wrinkles, dark circles as well as reducing puffiness of your eyes. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.